how to turn off notifications vibration on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off notifications vibration on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger. Now click on your profile and scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. Now you have the third option, which is customize notifications. Click on it, and like you see, you have sounds, vibration, LED light, and click on turn on the option of vibration, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.